But then we talked to people, different people that describe this procedure from the inside. So one person, for example, is telling us that we ask him, so how much do you wait? How much time do you wait between the first small shell is dropped to the second one? And he said that there's not really procedure about that. Sometimes it can be 1 minute. And we asked him if it happens in his experience. He said yes. Because just to refer to something we said, we do not publish things that we just heard from someone. We don't have hearsay. We cross-check, we verify in 10, 11 years of working. None of the testimonies of breaking the silence was proven to be false, and believe us that people try to do that. Regarding this kind of procedure, we asked him, so 1 minute, is it enough for people to actually go out of the building? And his answer was the following. It's enough for those two young men at the second floor that are 30 and they are in good shape. It's not enough for the old woman in the fourth floor that has to go down. We asked someone else about this procedure, a surgeon in a different position than him. We asked him whether they have a list, because we know that the army has the ability to know that there are people inside. We asked him, do you have a list of people that you're supposed to count? Do you have names? Do you have any kind of idea how many people are actually supposed to go out of the house after dropping the first shell? And he said, yeah, we have information, but it's not really updated to that point. It's not necessary that it actually fit the number of people inside. So we asked him, so how do you know when to drop the first shell? And he said, no, there's not really protocols about that. So we asked him whether you have people inside and you know, are they not going out? So he said, yes, they're making a phone call after the first shell sometimes. And if they still don't go out, they still bomb. And we asked him, but what's the logic behind that? So he said it very, very clearly. If they choose to stay in, they cannot be not involved in combat. This procedure is just one of many others that we are.